And baby, if they asking, tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them, I go crazy, crazy, I go crazy.
Hello, Aloha. How is you? How's you doing? How's your day going? Hope you have an amazing day so far. Hi, I'm Lisette and welcome to my channel. Today we are at Knott's Farm here with Leslie. So can you tell them what rides we've gone on so far?
We've gone on a Ferris wheel, we've gone on swings and the sombrero and jaguar.
Yes, and now we're on our way to the log ride.
Yep.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I go.
Explain what just happened.
So right now we went on a log ride and the big picture we took was like this. And they didn't put our picture up because they thought it was inappropriate because of the sign we did.
It's just the J and L.
I know! So that's, I'm suing Knott. Just kidding, I'm
We
kidding.
just got off of Coast Rider. I think we might go again maybe? Goes up, drops you down. Got off Coast Rider for the second time and I just went on with my sister, but obviously she doesn't want to be on camera. But yeah, and if you haven't checked out the video where my sister does my makeup, you should go check it out.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Once you get like
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I think more to the front. Maybe I think more to the
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
but if it turns, it cancels the time.
So we're here with my sister and Leslie and Jerry, but we don't know where Jerry is.
Jerry is love. Oh, Jerry.
We're just checking out the arcade, messing with the games. I just spent some money on games that I didn't win on, but it's okay or whatever.
You want to pick a pig? Oh, that sucks.
I really don't know where we're going next or what we're gonna do. Yeah. Everyone else is being a lame, so Leslie and I are gonna go in the bumper cars by ourselves, I think, because nobody else wanted to come. So call Jerry.
Jerry.
There you go. Leslie, we're in the Charles M. Scholes Theater, I think it's called, and we're gonna be watching a show, and I think it's called Beach Blanket Beagle.
Yep.
Leslie and I are now gonna get in line for the carousel. And I know that this vlog has been mainly just me recording like all the rides we're gonna go on and stuff, but not much has been going on, and like that's really all I can vlog because that's all that's happening. This is irrelevant, but when I was in the carousel ride, there was like a family like that weren't on the ride, that were like outside on the ride, and I guess waiting for someone that was on the ride, part of their family. And every time like I kept on like passing by them, they would like yell like, hey, I don't know, it was kind of weird. But yeah, I guess.
Friday.
They poked it. The sun.
Yeah. and then on the other side, this was in Washington. And then I just see one of them fall in their face.
Never mind. Okay, so I think we're leaving Knott's now.
We're going to Portos.
We're gonna go to Porto's just to get dessert, and then we're gonna head over to. And then we're gonna head over. Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting desserts first, and then we're gonna eat. What was I saying? Yeah, and then we're gonna head over to Pizza Studio, and we're gonna make our own pizzas. So I guess it's like the Subway of pizzas. Hi Joa. How was your day at Knott's? Yeah.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
I have a really bad headache, and I don't know, I didn't really want to leave. I kind of wanted to keep going on some of the rides, but people want to leave and people are hungry, so we have officially left the park. Oh, it's fresh in here. It's cute.
This is for
I hadn't seen this art wall from here. That's an old map of Knott's?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Do you have your stuff?
We're at a little shop, and of course we could only use a little barn for Knott's because
Now at Portos, it is like a cafe bakery, I guess you could call it. It's I think from Cuban culture, like descent, and we're here to get desserts.
like a mess, but when do I not? So today has been pretty good, you know. We're going to Knott's, that's always fun. We all have the season pass, so we go kind of often. And then this is our last week of summer vacation because next Monday we're going to be starting school. So it was fun. And then later today, Tuesday, we're going to go to the movies with Jerry and Leslie and the rest of my little cousins, and we're going to go watch The Meg. So that's going to be fun too. But right now, I'm just looking forward to being in a place with AC, just being cool, and honestly eating food. So
Regular or large?
Large. That's good. Large.
And you?
got Oreo cookie shake. Leslie got
Strawberry mojito.
Thank you, Jerry. So this is everyone, and basically my entire family lives in the same block. Hey, Lisa! Are you excited? Yes. Hopefully I don't fall asleep.
You're not gonna go to sleep because it's gonna be a mouse ride.
Well, Nana tries to be funny on purpose.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my god! See, we can say 11.
Oh my god, don't fall.
Pressure.
Where's the car behind you? Oh my goodness, I know.
So So hopefully I don't fall asleep today because I fell asleep the last time we came to the movies.
So a lot of my summer consisted of coming to the movies, but honestly, I don't mind at all because who doesn't want to come to the movies?
It's fun.
Exactly.
And you have a free chance to fall
Yeah.
asleep.
And coming with your like entire family, like I do, like all of us were in a car, and there's still like a car or two filled with us, our family, that's coming. So I think that's cool. They're just looking for parking. We're gonna wait for them out here. I'll probably just record after we get out because I think for the Harry Styles vlog, I already kind of vlogged like what's it like being in the movies and stuff. So you guys already know what that's like.
And if you haven't checked out that video, then you should go check out my Harry Styles concert vlog because I went to his last final show of his tour. So yeah, I'll see you guys after the movie's over. Hi guys, so I didn't film an outro for the vlog, and basically I just went to Knott's and then to the movies later with my family, and I'm currently walking dogs with Alisa, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't film an outro, so here it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you in the next one.